Our viewer is also weighing in on that, and somebody said the name should be Spot. Although, is that rubbing it in a little bit?
Take it very personally. Yeah. It's pretty ironic, though. I like
that. It is ironic.
Do we crowdsource too many things to the internet? Like
no.
The name of this giraffe?
Why not? Why not do it?
Sure. I'm interested to see what they come up with.
Yes.
Usually they've learned to put limiters now on it.
Like it has to be within this.
We'll pick finalists, and then you'll vote from there. After Bodie McBoatface, which you remember.
I do remember that one.
Was this Luca wanting to name? Oh.
No, this is like one of the first crowdsourcing naming. They're like, what should we name this boat? I forget what it was. And the internet voted Bodie McBoatface. And then after that, everyone else learned you should put some,
little guidance
put some buoys on either side of these. This. All right, nice day today. Visible satellite looks good. A lot of sunshine. A couple of cumulus clouds. I saw them floating around through midday down over southern Maine, too. I don't think it was a real problem for the day, although as soon as you went behind a cloud, you could feel the difference in the perceived temperature. The sun made a huge difference. We got to 79 in Wisconsin, 77 in Portland, 77 in Bangor, about average for this time of the year. What would be below average if we kept the average like this is the dew point is a bit on the low side for this point in August. In the 40s, some low 50s along the coast. And this is a reasonable snapshot of what our overnight low temperatures are likely to be. 40s everywhere away from the coastline. Even the coast could probably get to 48, 49 by early tomorrow morning. Clear skies allow for quick cooling, so by 11 o'clock tonight we're in the 50s, couple of 40s out there. Most of the 40s happen early tomorrow morning. There is a chance for a couple upper 30s in northern New Hampshire and northern Oxford counties, also a spot that could see one or two of those. Nothing crazy. But it feels cool tomorrow morning. Just be aware of that. Then the sun gets us kicked back up into the 70s by the afternoon. Exception mountains, 60s, upper 60s probably for a high temperature there. Another beautiful day though. Clear tomorrow night. Not a whole lot going on. First half of Thursday looks good too. A little bit warmer, a little bit stickier into the upper 70s to around 80. And then we'll see clouds come in from southwest and northeast with an isolated sprinkle possible in the afternoon Thursday. I think we get most of the day in though in a favorable way. And then here comes our Friday rain, which will go from showers to more legitimate rain by Friday afternoon. I was hoping the models would come together in agreement over the weekend, but if anything, they've dug in opposite directions. The European model has gotten slower, more showers around. The GFS has gotten more progressive, nicer weekend. I'm leaning towards the drier end, especially when you look at the second half of the weekend. I think the Euro's overdoing that little trough back there. But man, I wish they would just settle it because it is Tuesday. It'd be good to get that wrapped up. Just want to let you know the tropics are getting kind of busy. You know about Hillary, that's Pacific Basin. Atlantic Basin, we've got Gert, no problem with that, it's going to be gone. Harold is making landfall as a tropical storm has made landfall in Texas. Franklin, going to be interesting. Most models have it doing one of these, floating and then moving up towards the eastern seaboard next week. Probably not going to be a problem for us, but it'll be close enough that we'll watch it for you. It takes just the right angle of approach to get a tropical storm or hurricane in here, which we appreciate that it's hard to do. So showers on Friday. Again, we've got pop-up showers on Saturday. I do have a stray sprinkle on Sunday. I wanted to keep it completely dry, but I also felt like it might be sending people the wrong message because the reality is the models are pretty split on whether or not we have showers on Sunday. So I would love to be able to take that raindrop out of there, but right now I don't think I can. And Monday and Tuesday look fine. So I think you brought this up at noon. Basically, bookending the weekend, everything on the either side of that's great.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
The weekend is the exception.
Yeah, not quite as good as the rest of the surroundings.
It happens. All right, Keith, thank you.